In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your billing information in Squarespace. Keeping your billing details up to date ensures your site, domain, and any add-ons renew without interruption. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips so everything saves smoothly the first time. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you go further. From the main dashboard, head to Settings. In the menu, look for billing or payment information. Depending on your account and plan, this may appear as billing and account or a similar label. The key is to find the area where Squarespace stores the card used for your subscriptions. Once you're there, open the billing method or payment detail section. This is where your current card, expiration date, and billing address are listed. If you don't see an existing card, you'll still have the option to add a new one. Now enter your new card or updated billing information. Type the name exactly as it appears on the card, along with the card number, expiration date, and security code. For the billing address, use the address your bank has on file for that card, including the correct postal or zip code. Small mismatches can cause the update to fail, so it's worth being precise here. If you're replacing an expired card, this is a good moment to double check the new expiration date and that the card is currently active. Before saving, review the billing details carefully. Confirm the last four digits of the card, check the address formatting, and look for options like setting this as your default payment method if you see them. A quick review now helps prevent payment failures later, especially before upcoming renewals. When everything looks right, save the updated payment information. You might see a brief loading indicator while Squarespace securely verifies the card. Avoid navigating away until you get a confirmation that your changes were saved. Finally, confirm that the new billing method is active on your account. You should see the updated card listed and, if applicable, marked as the default. Some accounts also display a confirmation message or send an email receipt of the change. If the new card doesn't appear right away, refresh the page to update the view. That's it. If you ever run into issues, common culprits include an address mismatch or a bank declining the authorization. Correct the address, try again, or reach out to your bank. With that, your Squarespace billing is up to date and ready for uninterrupted service.